Step into your power, don't hide away. You were born to shine in your own brave way. Confidence rising like the light of day.
This is the 35 quart set power car refrigerator. It has a fridge and a freezer, so I can keep my food cold and my other food frozen. Before I had I was using a cooler for food, and I knew that if I was gonna be car camping and living out of my SUV full time, I needed this refrigerator. Set power 35 quart dual compressor. I ordered this off of Amazon. There's a little drain down there, that's nice. And there's an app that goes with it. This plugs in to my EcoFlow. And this side is the freezer. But yeah, fridge, check.